So for today's video, guys, maingod to. So for today's video, guys, we're gonna go in the farm. We're gonna get the grass in the okra. Join with me in today's video. It's me, Amamado. We're gonna get some of the grass of the okra because it's so tall na, and the owner pay us $250 a day per head. So that I can have a money, I will join. This is my outfit of the day. I will use this one.
Guys, she's starting picking that grass. There's a lot of grass to cut. Flo and her mother from here to there. It's a lot. Maybe she finished this 2 days. 2 days after she finished. Flo now is not using a slipper because it's so muddy puddle. Kapoy pang pili anak ka ng gamay rag dahon mo ha. Guys, the owner said that filming, that's why the owner is not here. Shy type. Kana ram say labong kaya gad og dire oh. Guys, you see Kuya there, that using a swing. She's so chill. That's the father of the owner on this land. That's her father. That's the father of the owner on this land. Guys, you know na ha, that I'm speaking English because I'm drink beer. That's why I speak in English. You know na. Hey guys, Flo is not doing great this her job because she's not moving. Look at her mother. Look at his mother. a lot of cutting the grass, but Flo is still in one position. You know na guys, I'm speaking English because I'm drink. Guys, you know na ha, if you have a land need a cutting the grass, just contact Flo and her mother. Hi Flo. Hi.
Hi.
Ano? Hey guys, may I forgot, there's a visitor in here. Here, watching the cell phone. Waiting for his mother and grandmother. I'm not working guys because Flo and her mother is getting paid that. If I'm working, I don't have pay. That's why she's two are working. I'm not helping. Peace. Mga baser dyan, gabas. You look Flo is still in one position. Her mother is so far away now. Hi guys, look at the view. What a nice view. There's a lot of coconut there. We can pick up when the owner is not there. If there is a owner, you cannot pick the coconut because the owner may be angry. Hi. She's happy because she going far now. She's going to like a model. Guys, look at her mother, his mother. She go to the a lot of grass because Flo it's not moving faster. That's why Flo leaving his mother. And guys, sorry for my English because the alcohol is not enough. Tanil katigwang naga na yung bagong lusok ng kuwan. Hey guys, you see the plant that's straight line? That's the plant like an okra, like this one. I don't know what's the English of this veggies. The owner is going to pay for the cutting of the grass because the plant is is going to tabon-tabon the grass. Hi guys, Plo is almost finished the toe lines of the veggies. She going cutting the grass back and forth. His mother is going to cutting the grass, and other grass is going to feed the goats or the carabao. Like this grass, you see that grass going to feed the goats or the carabao. Look, his face is going, I don't know what type of face is that. Hey guys, mother of Flo is a lot of for the feeding for the for the goats. There's a lot of grass here to feed the goats and the carabao or the cow.
Dad, ang gagmay sad dyan.
Nay,
Ang gagmay sad ba?
gagmay nga.
Sagbot.
Oh. Dagpason.
Mga gapon, di ka nag-live ka ba? Ano din sila? Imo ko ng English, grabe ko ng paka-paka. Basta makainom, di red horse, no?
Buslot naman ang tsara, oy, buslot. Ang tsara po, buslot.
Mo gani English is like.
Aray! Pero,
Tapay kuskus ba?
gikuwang Gabriel akong kutsara.
Tapay kuskus charo? Hindi kay plot kuskus na ikaw tigtiwas ato eh. Nana ba?
Ari?
Okay.
Ta! Kita diri nagkuskus para ipuno. Yag, ikaw largo. Okay ra ka?
Hindi katawal.
Uy! Okay ra ka?
Ari ka dapit to.
Tawa ba ya?
Ari ka dapit ba? Oh,
Kamunggay na niya.
Ha?
Uno, mga na stupid.
Ano niya ba sa, kuan ba?
Ano yung sunang
Paminaw. Upat lang kagot ang tuwaon. Nga, kamunggay. Pagkano na yung silpada na, ligyan na tatanan.
pag-urot ng tanong sa bulig.
Mag-live tawag ba na? Siguro si Jackie. Lami! Oy! Ikaw na yung kaping kutsara.
Ibutang na diri tigwang. Wow, parang wala lang.
Nay, uman na unod dyan eh.
Hmm?
Murot na uman.
Hoy, nagusa dyan ano?
Gusto ka to ano?
Ila dahil ni kabuk iray mo kidade eh. Puno nagtubig ay, uy, unod. Go, boy.
Ito, apilo to ko papagkuskulo.
Sabi niya,
Napay usad diri nga ginay.
ano sa nagutag ko ano?
Put some condense.
Di mag-live tadi.
Guys, that's my sister.
Kamu tadi ya.
Aman na ribe.
Guys.
Ano ko sa mga nagkakon? Pero, pwede tan mo ay? Muna? Ay. Dalawa ka na.